So Canva has recently released its animated stickers, which look kind of cool and you can create some really nice results to it. So let me show you exactly where to find them and how to add them to your designs. So here we are in a blank presentation. You can use any design format that you like. Now let's just change the background color to something nice and blue. There we go. And add a nice congratulations or congrats keyword to the slide. So if you want that, let's change the font to lobster. There we go. And we don't want the all caps, so I'm just going to turn that off and make it a white. Select all the text and make it white. Now, if we go to the Elements tab here on the left, we can see that there's a new section. So we have these stickers. It has changed around a little bit. So we now have stickers, and this contains a whole set of animated stickers. So it's all bundled together, which is pretty nice. So if we look at that, and we can see there's multiple arrows, which are pretty cool if you want to sort of point something out and really arrow and focus on something and have it animated. That's pretty cool. There's food stickers, word stickers, shapes, emojis. There's so many one. Then if we go to the, for example, confetti stickers, you can click on see all, and that releases a whole bunch of stickers. So let me take this one and paste it to the front so that all these effects go over the keyword that we are using. That is what we want. And now let's add a few more, like the balloons. And I'm just going to integrate that a little bit in design, so it nicely spills over a little bit. And let's add some confetti to this side as well. So this is how you could create that effect. You can always select the keyword and put it a little bit larger and just position it how you like it. So you see this is now looping, and if I put it on full screen, or presentation mode, you can see that it keeps looping while you're presenting, which is quite nice. You can do emojis, you can do some other crazy stuff with it. Now, of course, be mindful of it. Don't go overboard. Don't go too crazy to distract the people. But maybe if it's like to congratulate someone or to highlight a winner, this could be quite a cool effect. So hopefully you like this, and I'm definitely going to use some of these stickers in my designs. Now, if you want to learn more about Canva or design, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now.